Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here for explaining leadership. Continuous research is being going on how the organization could be controlled. Leadership centralized or decentralized. For a small organization, leadership could be small, but for the big organization, leadership should be decentralized. Okay? The fastidious, narrow mind, or more observatory, these are not a positive word for getting the productivity. For getting the economies of scale, huge number of mass production. When you want to the organization very big, undoubtedly you have to concentrate on delegation. Delegation means being on a main purpose. The smaller purpose need to be sacrificed. I mean, you will give a yearly target, monthly target to your delegate, to the responsible person, to your fellow people, but you cannot raise everyday contradictory talk. And if you able to give the responsibility, your manager, your person feel better. Unhealthy competition, psychological pressurization, these will be gone from the person. So the person will be more productive. He will feel better. This is people not work only for money. Moreover, the sense of responsibility that I am working here. I have some responsibility. This is my organization. This type of feelings need to be established among the delegate. So if we want to be independent, but actually there should have maximum, minimum, a balanced relation with the delegate. You cannot become autocratic or you cannot become democratic. You have to be laissez-faire, mean semi-autocratic and semi-democratic. Okay? If you become very fastidious, disbelief, doubt, this type of attitudes if started, the fellow people will be frustrated. On the other hand, if you become more tightened, the unhealthy competition will be started. So, neither strictness nor looseness. The both situation need to be combined at the time of delegating. It has been believed worldwide, suppose Coca-Cola, Toyota, Coca-Cola maintaining the main principle of the raw materials of Coca-Cola, no compromise to the quality. But some decision, minor decision could be altered, could be changed by the local authority. Okay, so being on a strict principle, minor issues could be loosened, could be flexible, but tight on every situation, every issue is bad. Okay, so actually I watch many times our student just read the topic, but as a teacher, this is our duty to give the right impression. So we have divided the total matter in 4-5 parts. First is the impression, then preparation, then we would welcome our student giving Cambridge exam from Cambridge Edexcel resources. Later, whether the writing is accurate or not, we evaluate very perfectly. Last of all, we welcome our student with the passport registration support through the British Council. So, concept is the main purpose. Only because of concept, only because of understanding, one student become good student. Only because of without understanding, a student become frustrated bad student. So, us in a center, in a school, how many number of air condition? It's not a crucial issue. Moreover, how is their way of explaining, convincing, motivating, loving, caring to the children? I do many times tell our student, online student, they enjoy my lecture. I always pronounce Baba to my student because they are every day getting 4 subjects. Morning time mock. Without good relation, why a student dedicate 4-5 hours through the online mechanism? Okay, thank you very much.